Democrats have rolled out a new messaging strategy on why costs at the pump continue to rise: price gouging. With inflation at its highest level in 4 decades and the war in Ukraine threatening even higher gasoline prices, Democratic leaders are increasingly leaning into the notion that price gouging is the culprit. The bottom line is this: the real problem with increased gas prices is gouging in monopolies, Senate Majority Leader Charles E. Schumer, New York Democrat, told reporters this week. You're going to hear a lot more from us on those issues in the near future. The charge offers Democrats some cover from voters' anger over inflation in a tough election year, but there is no evidence that U.S. oil and gasoline companies have banded together to excessively raise prices and take a bigger bite out of Americans' pocketbooks. Rather, energy market strategists have long warned that inflation and supply issues would create a volatile global market and could cause gasoline prices to far exceed $5 per gallon. The national average for a gallon of regular gasoline was $3.73 as of Thursday, according to AAA. That's an increase of more than 30 cents from a month ago and roughly $1 from a year ago. And the decision by Russia, a major global exporter of natural gas and oil, to invade Ukraine has only made matters worse. Oil prices on Wednesday hit their highest levels in years. Brent crude futures, the global standard, was above $116 per barrel, the highest since 2013. WTI crude, the U.S. standard, was roughly $113 per barrel, the highest in more than a decade. We have not heard of any inquiries or complaints from any of our members regarding gas price gouging, said AAA Public and Government Affairs Manager Rajana Ali. She added that price gouging for gasoline most frequently occurs around natural disasters, such as hurricanes. In recent weeks, President Biden has pinned the rising inflation for groceries and energy on price gouging. As evidence, the White House pointed to some public companies that have instituted price hikes despite reporting profit increases. Mark Finley, a fellow in energy and global oil at Rice University's Baker Institute for Public Policy, said the administration has sent mixed messages to the energy industry. Energy Secretary Jennifer Granholm and the president have both said things to the effect of, "Yes, we want U.S. oil and gas companies to invest more in domestic production," Mr. Finley said. At the same time, the administration is hectoring the industry over windfall profits and price gouging, even though historically investigations by the FTC into price gouging don't really turn anything up.